Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So recently I went on a trip to London with a few photographer friends. I'll leave their details in the description box below. And I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I finally managed to get some decent photos of St. Paul's on this trip, which was great. And if you hang around till the end, you'll see some extra special footage of Joe. So through the power of editing, let's go to London. So here we are in London, and I'm joined by Alex, Joe and Tom. The first thing we did was head over to St. Paul's to start off with a few quick and easy reflection shots. This was the first time I'd met up with Alex and Joe, and we didn't really have a plan, just a few places that we wanted to visit. So we walked along the river, chatting about our gear, our goals for 2024, and discussing our ideas for the rest of the day. After crossing the river and stopping for lunch, we walked to the next place on the list. Joe wanted to get a shot of the bridge from the edge of the river, so that's where we went next. After a long day of walking, it was definitely time to stop for a beer and to sit down for a bit. And to finish the day, we wanted to head back to St. Paul's to get some more photos with all of the lights on. So after 27,000 steps, a lot of photos and a couple of beers, we were done in London. Next time we'll be adding a few new faces to the group and meeting in a new location. Now it's nearly time for Joe's wonderful additions to the video, but just before I wanted to say thanks for watching guys, especially if you made it this far. If you liked the video, it would really help me out if you'd consider subscribing and hitting the like button. And now, without further ado, over to Joe.
Didn't realise you were filming.